So this is the object that you're going to be making. We're going to be using the alignment tools to make this object. I wanted to show you that first so you understand what you're working towards. So your first step here on slide 4, we're going to go ahead and align that square, diamond, and heart both horizontally and vertically. So if you come to your PowerPoint, go ahead and select each of the objects. Hopefully you remember by now. You just select the first one, hold down Shift, select the second one and the third one. Then you're going to come up here to your Format tab, and right here where it says Align, you're going to want to align it to the center, and you're also going to want to align it to the middle. So now this is exactly how we want it. The only other thing I wanted you to do is I want you to move the diamond shape behind the rounded corner square shape. So if you click the diamond shape, go ahead and right click and go ahead and send to back. So this is what your final product of your little thing that you made was. The last thing I want you to do is I want you to group all of those shapes. Instead of having to hold Shift and select them separately, because these are the only shapes on the page, you can also just hit Control A, and that will select all of them. And then you can come up here to Format and hit Group. So now you have one item that you made out of 3 separate items. Okay, that was step 2. Step 3, we're going to make 2 copies of that grouping of that object we made. So with it selected, go ahead and hit Control C and then Control V. So you have a total of 3 different versions of that first one. Now, doesn't matter where they're at, just kind of slide them somewhere on the slide. Okay, so basically what I wanted you to do is I want you to, for the 2 copies, I'm going to have you delete the heart and just add in 2 more random shapes of your choice, and then I'm going to have you realign them and regroup them just so you get some practice aligning and grouping. So that's basically the rest of these steps here. So we're going to go back to our PowerPoint. I'm going to select the second copy here. I'm going to go to Group, and I'm going to hit Ungroup. From there, I'm going to simply select the heart. I'm going to delete it. And now I'm going to add in another shape of my choice, and I'm going to format it. Go ahead and do that. Pause me and come back when you're done. I went ahead and added in a star, and I changed the fill color to yellow. Now I'm going to go ahead and regroup these guys. I'm going to realign them and then regroup them. So in case you forget, I'm going to select my first item. I'm going to hold down Shift, select my second item. I'm going to hold down Shift, select my third item. Come up here to my Format tab, go to Align. I'm going to do it center, and I am going to do it middle. And now I'm going to go ahead and group those. So now I have my second object here. Now for your third one, I'm going to have you do that all by yourselves. So I'll just walk through the steps with my voice right now. You're going to select it. You're going to ungroup it. You're going to delete the heart. Add in another object of your choice. Change the color, change the border if you want to. Realign them, center and middle, and then regroup them. Let me know if you need help.